Hey yo, what's up? Today we're going to be taking the wheel hub out of the rotor for the 95 Isuzu Rodeo. I just finished taking this one out. Here's the old rotor. This one isn't too bad. There's the hub. We're going to be putting in the new rotors over there. There's the other one that I'm going to do right now. Here we go. I got it all on the hydraulic press. I'm going to use this bearing puller to push it out. I use the hardware from this smaller puller to hold it together so it'll fit in here and push it all the way out. Go like that. Make sure these ain't gonna hit the rotor. Put a socket in there. Turn this down. Alright, just before contact, I want to go through and make sure everything looks good. Looks like good contact. So, I think of this. It's not gonna touch nowhere. Looks like they're all doing this. There it goes. It's moving. It's not touching anywhere, is it? No. Keep going. There it goes. Just like that. Stop this up now. Boom. Just like that. There's the wheel hub. And now, pressing them in, I guess. Push pause again.